glorious morning, waking up yawning. I can smell the scrambled eggs and bacon calling. A new day's dawning, sing a new song. The bad dreams are over, yesterday's gone. Shower squeaky clean, feeling oh so fine. Dog barking next door, but I don't mind. I open up the blinds to let the sun shine in. Man, the rays feel amazing, blazing on my skin. So nice that it's a sin not to be outside. 69 degrees, not a cloud in the sky. Posted on the lawn chair, my nights so fly. Just watching all the pretty females walk by. If anybody needs me, I'ma be right here. In these cheap sunglasses with this ice cold beer. The devil's on my trail, but I don't care. I got the first breath of summer blowing through my head. I'm just sitting, soaking up rays, waiting for the sun to melt my troubles away. Just kick back, six pack, rolling up a J. Sitting there, cooling on a bright sunny day. Time keeps tick, tick, ticking away. We'll beef tomorrow, let sleeping dogs lay. Life's too short, just like the old folks say. So I'm sitting there, cooling on a bright sunny day. All the kids playing, ball bats swinging, little fish swimming, baby birds singing. I ain't in no hurry, no car keys jingling, no knocking at the door, no telephone ringing, no work and no emails, no texts, no trifling ex-girlfriends, no stress, no arrests, no police, no murders, except for all these brats, hot dogs and cheeseburgers. Neighborhood's beautiful, everything's blooming, everybody chill, no points to be proven. They coming off the grill now, everybody moving. DJ plays my new song, everybody grooving. I close my eyes, a good day for dreaming, thinking about the trouble I could get in this evening. Yesterday was crazy, today I'm being lazy, yo. Roll down your window and turn up your radio. I'm just sitting, soaking up rays, waiting for the sun to melt my troubles away.